Good morning, friends. This morning we have Step Up Lesson 6, which focuses on page 943, 944, regrouping twice when you add. Let's review from some skills we worked on this year in second grade. So this is up here, guided practice. How do you know when you need to regroup? You know you need to regroup when the column has 10 or more. So anything between 10 and 19. Use place value blocks to find 136 plus 279. Obviously, it's got the blocks for here. There's 130, 10, 20. Oh. For this, I'm not going to get out blocks. I have some blocks over the middle table. If you really want to get them out, at this point, it's probably just going to be more efficient to 136, 279. Going to have to regroup twice here. 9 plus 6 is 15, regroup to 1. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And 415. I would just say regroup for that, which is pretty small. Let me zoom it in a little bit better. And it says in model in 3, use the model to write this problem to find the sum. So again, you're just going to add this plus this. So 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 120, 125, and then 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 160, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're just adding this group of place value blocks plus this group of place value blocks, and you have your sum, which is 7 plus 5, 12, regroup the 1, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2, 292. So looking down at the bottom, down just a little, there we go. Let's get it. It says in 4 through 6, write the problem, then find the sum. And so you're going to add this group to this group. So you're going to write a problem, and then you're going to solve it. To solve, you just have to count all the blocks. So we have 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 4. And you're just going to add. You could count all the blocks, in theory. It's up to you. So you could do partial sums. It's going to be a lot of heavy regrouping. You can do the same thing here. An equation, create an equation, add them together, find the sum. On the back, just taking a look here, it says 1 wants to use place value blocks to show 148 plus 256. Draw a picture of the blocks. So you're going to have to draw a picture of the blocks. What's the sum? Keywords there. Manuel plays basketball and scores 15 points in game 1, 8 points in game 2, and 17 points in game 3. How many points did Manuel score? Use the number line to solve. So 15 plus 8 plus 17. 3 hops. Al and Mark were playing on a computer game. Al scored 265 points in the first round and 354 points in the second round. Mark had 352 in the first round and 237 in the second round. Who scored more points and won the game? Explain. So you've got Al over here. And you have Mark over here, or Mark and Al, depending on which one you do. And you're going to add them, and if you compare them, which one's bigger? That's who won the game, whoever has more points. Paula is saving money to buy a new computer that cost $680. Last month she saved $415, and this month she saved $298. Does Paula have enough money to buy the computer? So the computer cost $680. She saved this plus this. So this plus this minus this. just estimating, you can almost figure out right away if that's going to be the case or not when you explain it. Make sure you explain. Down to bottom, write an equation that represents, so adding this plus this, write an equation that represents that. Actually, it doesn't even say to solve it. So down to bottom, Mrs. Samuels bought a $526 plane ticket in May and a $194 plane ticket in June. Use place value of X or draw pictures to find how much Samuel spent on both plane tickets. So adding them together. If you have any questions, come see me. Should be a quick hitter.